Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be an unboxing and a review of the Feaigit translucent matte black case for the iPhone 14 Pro. We're going to take a quick look at the case itself, and I'm going to put it on the phone so you can see it on the phone. Just a few little things. This is a super thin case, so this case is only 0.05 inches thick, so very thin so that it doesn't add a lot of bulk. But it still adds protection. You have four U-absorber airbags in the corners. You can see those there. So that protects your corners against drops, which are the most vulnerable spots on a phone. You also got a 1.2 millimeter screen edge around the front and a 1.5 millimeter lens bezel to protect your lens. And they've made this inspired, this side, the grip and everything is inspired by the anti-slip concept of a luxury car steering wheel. So they really wanted to make sure that this was nice and grippy so that it's anti-slip. They have a nano oleophonic coating, so it has like this silky touch to it. It's very different than like your old school silicone cases. It has this nice, it's silky, but it's also grippy, so easy to grip. And you can see you've got that PC matte black translucent finish on the back, and then the sides are a TPU with that nano oleophonic coating on it. So let's get this on the iPhone 14 Pro so you can actually see it on the phone. And you can see you've got that nice bezel, that raised bezel, 1.2 millimeter screen edge. So even if you lay your phone down flat, it's going to protect the front. You've got the right slight cutout there on the top for the speaker. You've got perfect cutouts, especially because this is so thin. It's really easy to control the buttons and things. Down at the bottom, I mean, look at that. There's no charger you wouldn't be able to put in that port. Sometimes if a case is too thick, certain chargers won't work, or if the cutout's not large enough, but you can see you got full access to that, which is great. Nice cutouts for the speakers so that your sound isn't affected. Power button is in the right place. I can feel that power button, easy click, which is really great. Then around the camera, you've got that 1.5 millimeter lens bezel around that, so your camera lenses are going to be fully protected. And then you can see you've got that nice matte, translucent matte black finish. I love the translucent finishes because you can still see the color of your phone through the back, but at the same time, it totally protects against fingerprints. There are no fingerprints. Even my fingers tend to be really oily and cause lots of fingerprints, but you can see even after me touching all over it, you don't see any fingerprints, and that's one of the advantages of that translucent matte black is it's anti-fingerprint, anti-scratch, so you don't have to worry about that on this case. Very nicely made, simple case, but you've got, again, those U-absorbing air cushion pockets in the corners, so you're protecting the corners, the bezel in the front, around the camera. All the cutouts are exactly what they need to be. So a really, really excellent translucent matte black finish case by Feaigit. If you are looking for a translucent case for your iPhone 14 Pro, then this is an excellent case, definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my playlist, favorite this playlist, or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.